Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you the trending effect on TikTok called the grinning effect. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect basically replaces a grin on the subject's face, whether he or she is smiling, angry or confused. The effect makes some great reaction videos on TikTok and the subject will be confused at what you're laughing at. So let me show you how to use this effect. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover and search for Grinning. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it and see how others have used this effect. If you don't see this filter in your search results, then it means it is not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. The effect will take place right away, so it is great at pointing at unsuspecting person and seeing their reaction. For those of you who have braces, this is a great way of seeing yourself without braces. Create your TikTok video using this effect and be as creative as you want. And there you go, that is how to use the grinning effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.